We're now just days away from a major space moment. NASA's Artemis II test flight is set to carry 4 astronauts around the moon, marking the first crewed journey beyond low Earth orbit in more than half a century. So joining us this morning is NASA expert Tim Straube. He is the deputy manager in the Orion program's Avionics, Power, and Software Office. So Tim, thank you so much for being with us bright and early this morning.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Well, let's start off with what the Artemis II is and the mission ahead for these astronauts.
Yeah, Artemis II is going to be a 10-day mission around the moon. We are going on a free return trajectory, which means gravity is doing most of the work. Sending the crew out there. We're going to get great pictures back from them. Looking forward to seeing what they're seeing and hearing how they're enjoying the view of the moon.
Incredible, incredible. Well, what has you most excited about this mission, and really why should people be paying close attention to it?
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for us to get re-inspired by going out and seeking these great goals, like going out to the moon. You know, I'm really looking forward to early in the mission, we've got a demonstration of the manual control of the spacecraft, where we'll turn the control over to the crew and let them fly in proximity operations to the upper stage spacecraft, so they can fly in within 30 feet, get a chance to check out the mission, check out handling qualities of the spacecraft before it really matters on the next missions where they're going to dock with the human lander.
And I'm so curious, too, I mean, who is embarking on this mission? We know there's Reed, Victor, Christina, and Jeremy. So who are these individuals?
These are really a great crew. They're experienced people. We've really enjoyed working with them for the past 2 years. They really helped us get to know our spacecraft better. They're providing us with feedback, helping the engineers to understand exactly what they're going to see, and through their eyes, we've improved the spacecraft and really made things better, so it can be in good shape for the next missions to come.
And I mean, there is such an incredible fascination with space travel. I mean, we were just seeing some of the training photos as well, too. What is training like for a mission like this one?
It is very intensive. We spend a lot of time with the crew working through different simulations, different aspects, you know, on the ascent piece, the orbit piece, you know, what they're going to do for this manual control demo, and then, of course, for re-entry. You know, they spend a lot of time in simulators. They spend a lot of time looking at training manuals. And we work with them, and we're working in the simulations at the same time. We've got the whole engineering team and the flight control team working together with them to make sure everybody's going to be ready to work as a team to get that mission executed.
And the information that they're going to be gathering on this mission, where do you see it being the most useful?
Well, the most important thing that we're doing on this mission is testing the life support systems and the things that the crew interacts with, like the flight control system and the crew displays. For Artemis I, which we flew 3 years ago, you know, we tested out the rest of the spacecraft. So these new systems that are key to the crew are the essential pieces that we're looking to understand better on Artemis II.
All right. Well, Tim, I can't thank you enough for joining us this morning. We really appreciate you bringing us up to speed and telling us about why this mission is so special.
Yeah, thank you so much. Really invite everybody to tune in and take a look at what we're doing on Artemis II.
Absolutely.